All about sounds. What is sound? Stop and listen. What do you hear? Maybe you hear voices. Maybe you hear cars. Maybe you hear birds singing. You might even hear music playing. Those are all different sounds. Sound made when an object vibrates. Vibrate means to move quickly back and forth. Woo, 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 woo. When you sing, parts of your throat vibrate. Your, you put your fingers on the front of your hand, of your throat, and talk. Hello, hello. Do you feel the buzz under your fingers? Those are vocal cord vibrate. A guitar has strings. When the strings vibrate, they make sounds. You can see the guitar strings in the picture.
A guitar has strings.
Loudness. Sounds are not always the same. They are different in some ways. Different loudness is one way to explain different sounds that can be loud or soft. Sound can be loud. Look at the picture. These things make loud sounds. You can make a loud sound when you shout. Here, this girl is whistling. I can't hear her whistle though. Ooh, don't shout for the microphone. Sound can be soft. These things in the pictures made a soft sound. You can make a soft sound when you whisper. Pitch is another way to explain sound. Low pitch or high pitch. Object that vibrates quickly made a high pitched sound. Object that vibrates slowly made a low pitched sound. Bottle filled with water to make a high pitched or low pitched sound. Woo, woo, woo. Filled some bottles with a lot of water. Blow over the tops of the bottles. This makes the air inside the bottles vibrate. The bottles with a lot of air will make a low sound. The bottle with little air will make a high pitched sound. Woo, woo. Animals that make sound with different pitch. A lion roar has a low pitch. A cat's meow has a high pitch. Meow, meow. Look at the picture. Which ones show high pitched sound? Which ones show low pitched sounds? A cat is a high pitched sound. Meow, meow. A lion makes a low pitched sound. A mouse made a high pitched sound. A cow makes a low-pitched sound. Moo. The recorder makes a high-pitched sound. Playing the double bass made a low-pitched sound. Sounds travel. Oh no, I don't like this picture. It makes me sick. Sounds can move through gas, liquids, and solids. Sound travels through gases. Air is a gas. Look at the picture of the roller coaster. The riders are sounding. Ah! The other people in the park can hear them. They can hear them because sounds travel through air. Oh no, roller coaster really. Water is a liquid. Sounds can travel through liquids. Sounds travel faster through liquids than through gas. Sound travel faster through water than through air. Whales make sound. Their sounds travel through water. Other whales can hear these sounds miles and miles away. Funny. Sounds travel through solids. Sounds travel faster through solids than through neither gases or liquids. A string is solid. Sounds can travel through strings. Take two cubes, tie them together with a long piece of string. Stand in one room with one cup, send a friend to another room with another cup. Pull the string tight, speak into the cup. Your friend will quickly hear your voice. Hello, how are you? Animals sound. Animals make sounds using parts of their body. Kikanadis vibrate small parts of their bellies. These work like tiny drums. Elephants blow air through their trunks. Their trunks vibrate. This works like playing a bugle. Now how to make a sound. Snapping streams make sound with the large claws. The stream open and close the claws fast. They scratch air bubbles in the claw. Then the bubble pop. Pop! This works like popping a balloon. Bang! Sound is all around you. Now you know the sound. You know how sound is made. Sounds can be loud or soft. Sound can be high-pitched or low-pitched. Sounds can travel fast or slow. Next time you are outside, listen to the sounds around you. The world is full of sounds. Glossary. Loudness means how loud or quiet a sound is. Pitch means how low or high a sound is. Vibrate means to move quickly back and forth. See you